The car is getting towed.
Guess what? You're not gonna know what car I'm in yet. I'm VIP started. We about to be live trading. Start. I think it's more likely to have more short-term shorts. It could, but I wanted to be able to be in the shorts before that, because now if it runs those lows, who knows how low it's gonna go.
And that's not saying it took me 2.5 to 3 years to be able to win trades. I was winning trades a couple weeks, a couple months into trading. It's about that time.
What's going on, team? Right now, clearly see, I'm not in my car. I'm not nowhere in anything close to what I should be in. But guess what? You're not gonna know what car I'm in yet. I'm not even gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you that I'm in this. But all you should know is that we're about to get VIP started. We about to be live trading. I'm about to leave you guys on a cliffhanger. This is all you're gonna get to see. The car is white. That's all you get to see for right now. But we about to get live trading. We about to see what we can do with the team, see if we can get some money. We about to trade our Hanko trade account. We about to trade our Clarity account. We're about to get straight to it. Now, I'm just not even gonna get to yapping. Today's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a productive day. We're gonna make some money. And let's get straight to it. Let's see, and there's a 4-hour gap right here. I think it's more likely to have more short-term short situation. I wanna see price retrace a little higher, but I at least want to see that previous day's low get hit. Once we run that previous day's low, I'll have more faith that we'll keep like pushing higher. I'm thinking if I could wait for a price to retrace to around up here, that 1 hour for value gap, this would be my trade idea for a short, to target that previous day's low. I think that's my ideas right now, so that's what I'm gonna stick with. Now we wait. Let's see if price is gonna give us an entry. Let's see what happens to target that low. But right now, it look like we about to just keep falling off. If we run this previous day's low first, I don't know how likely that would be to try to take a short after that, to be honest. But if we could give this entry, I'm all for it. It could, but I wanted to be able to be in the shorts before that, because now if it runs those lows, who knows how low it's gonna go. All right, right now, I got no trades. I ain't gonna lie. We were looking for the shorts. The short happened. It never traded into the area that I was willing to take the trade at. Now that doesn't mean that I couldn't have caught it if I just would have sold the sold, but that's not how we trade. That's not what we do. That's literally nothing of what we stand for when it comes to trading. None of that. That's not what we do. We have setups that we take on a daily basis. We manage risk. We follow the rules. If I were to just take trades just because I wanted to make money, I would be no different than everybody else. And I can't do that. That's not me. But now it's time for me to get on with my day. It's time for me to get this car cleaned up for you guys. Time for me to go get everything organized in the house, get ready to show you guys what car I got. I also got to get the car towed still, so yeah, I got to call them also. A couple things I got to do. But yeah, let the day begin. About to get them going. Bye-bye.
Alright, I'm at the crib and everything, but I do need to charge a couple of different things. Gotta charge the microphone. It's probably why it sounds so different in this clip. But the car is officially towed from the little things that I recorded on my phone. The car is getting towed. Basically, I gotta call the auto body shop now to let them know the car's on their way so they can get that shit as soon as fucking possible, because they only have today and tomorrow, and then they're closed after that. So I gotta get it done, because if not, I won't be able to make it to Ocala. But best case, the car gets fixed and I can make it to Ocala. So yeah, I'm about to take these dogs on a walk while I call them, so let's do that. And then from there, we can actually start doing the things that I can enjoy. Most of hard labor will be out the way. We about to give some value today. It's about to be a smooth live. You said I miss you too, bro. Miss you too. How we all doing? First in, let's go. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna be doing no music, no intro. We just gonna get straight into it. Ask me anything, bros. Ask me anything. Move, I appreciate it, bro. Got the Burberry shades, match the Burberry bag and slides. What do you think about AI trading bots? If you don't know how to trade, then maybe. But if you know how to trade, in my opinion, I don't see the point of it. I'd rather do it myself. I'd rather put my money in my own hands than in the hands of a robot. Magic fingers. That's what it is. Magic fingers. Now, ask me anything. Money, mindset, trading, all the above. I'm trying to give some value to y'all. It's been a slow morning, but I just got my car towed because I got to get my car fixed right now. So that's what I'm doing. So I was like, should I hop on live? I kind of want to make a coffee. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I'm going to make a coffee while we're on live. There we go. We about to be multitasking. How do you handle losses? By back testing and understanding that one loss isn't the end of the world. Just because you took one loss doesn't mean you don't know how to trade. Just because you took one loss doesn't mean you're not a good trader. Everybody takes losses. I take losses. My friends take losses. My mentors take losses. Losses are going to happen. You got to learn that the sooner you get used to handling losses, the more successful and the faster you'll be successful. Will you copy trade in the future? Maybe in the future. Personally, I don't really like copy trading. I'd rather just have it trade on one account at a time, in my opinion, because if you take one loss, it's a big loss. How do you remain in profit? Risk management. That's the only way you remain in profit. Risk management. How long have you been trading, boss? I've been trading since 2020. Yo, instead of sugar, use agave. It makes sweeter and healthier. What? For the coffee? For the coffee? If you get in revenge trading spiral, how do you get out of it? By stop revenge trading. This comes down to your actions. Don't take that trade. Don't over risk. There's no easy way. There's no, just do this and it'll be easier. No, it just comes down to not doing it. You should really be asking, how can I become disciplined daily? How can I start becoming disciplined? And what you do, what you don't want to do. Discipline is doing the things you don't want to do. What's your next car? I'm not sure yet. Trump, what's going on, Birdie? What value you got for us today off the dome? I'm not sure yet. Let's see. Off the dome, don't go swimming in deep water if you can't swim. And that's not saying it took me 2.5 to 3 years to be able to win trades. I was winning trades a couple months into trading. Being consistently profitable is deeper than just winning trades. I promise you that. Switching sides again. Would it be worth it to open a $2,000 live account right now, or should I stick to prop firms for now? If you don't have a consistency, if you can't be able to no, I would say stick to prop firms until you can actually make enough money. If you can make the $2,000 from prop firms, I would say put that $2,000 into it. Two-stroke as voice. I don't even know what that means. Like two-stroke what? Like the bike? 50K, but that might be too much. 50K is not that much. Also keep in mind, these funded accounts, you're not really getting 50K. You're only getting what your drawdown is. So whatever the max drawdown on the 50K is, that's what your real account is, not 50K. Don't let them fool you with the headlines. Do you think I should stop when I'm on a TP streak? Have a limit. I'm only allowed to have 2 days winning in a row before I take a day off. Vice versa, I'm only allowed to have 2 days in a row of losing before I take a day off. How's the Clarity challenge going? I just bought a 10K challenge. They're doing good. I haven't traded since last week. I'm like up 1,000, but that's really it. US 30 is officially, it's going back up. It had dropped and now it's going back up. But yeah, it was dropping for the most part this morning. Thank you for the inspiration and motivation, my brother. Always. That's why I'm here, Birdie. Who is your idol in trading? I wouldn't say I have an idol, but in terms of like a mentor, people that I learn a lot from, ICT. In terms of trading, I would say the main person in trading is going to be ICT. You got to make a strategy to fit you. How I trade may not be the best for you. You got to understand that too. It just comes down to taking different things that you like, that you learn from, and then putting it together to make your own plan. Like just have little rules like that. It's not complicated. It just comes down to keeping yourself from self-sabotaging yourself. That's all it comes down to. But I think I seen one ask question up here before I get up out of here. What's good?
Like, I'm glad I do this because, bro, 371 people showed up to get value on a Tuesday, bro. And we in the gym. We the only people here. Honestly, didn't think I was going to be the only person here. Kind of shocked. But I do need to charge my phone, though. I was going to come down here. I was actually not going to come down here because I couldn't charge my phone, and I didn't want to go to the gym with no music. But guess what? Me coming down here was a great decision because, for one, I got the whole gym to myself. Two, I got the whole gym to myself, so I'm glad I came because I would have never known, and I would have been sick. So I'm about to take advantage of it, about to get all this balls in my way, pause. But I'll just take advantage of the free gym, get this workout before I have to go get my girlfriend. But then it's time to reveal the card to you guys because you don't know what the card is yet. The Instagram already knows, the VIP already knows, but you guys watching this video don't know, and I don't think I'm going to put it in the title of the video. I think I'm going to leave it a nice little surprise, but just know we got some power behind this baby. Just know we got some sound, and it's only a two-seater, as you all saw earlier. It's going to be a great day, but nonetheless, fuck all the yapping.
let's get straight to working out. We're gonna do what we do. Why is like, it's like on, it says left, right. What's going on? Yeah, I just peeped. I don't know why the microphone was like that. Hopefully it didn't like affect anything. But like I was saying, let's stop the yapping. Let's get a podcast on. And we're gonna get straight to it, no kizzy. All right, right now, we about to get ready because we about to go to Busch Gardens. So that means you guys are gonna be seeing the car for the first time and a couple clips basically. But right now, I'm about to roll up because I'm getting fried before Busch Gardens. No cap, no before, after Busch, I don't know. One of the two, but her brother is at Busch Gardens with his girlfriend. So we're gonna meet them over there. And then I'm gonna show you guys the car and everything, have some fun with the car. Gotta get some food. And then come back here, get everything content-wise all together. You know what it is, daily shit. Oh, it's all the same shit. I do the same shit every day. If you guys haven't noticed already. Team right now, we about to go down to the Caro. You guys are gonna see it for the first time. I looked at the only people that guessed it are people that literally seen me post it already and then started guessing that it was so. I'm not gonna say the name, but yeah. But we about to see what's up with it. It's about that time. But here it is, Psych Young Boy. Nah, it's not that one. But I'll let y'all know when we get close to it. Here it is, Psych again. All right, I'm done playing, here it is, Psych. I was playing with y'all, we're really on a different floor. We're not even on this floor. All right, we're actually walking up to it. And here's the reveal of the temporary Caro. Oh yeah, got the Porsche. For the people that knew, you knew. Now yesterday, I jumped inside of this without opening the door. I'm not gonna do that again. Indeed, not gonna do that again. We're here. I want her to record me starting the car. I'm also gonna put you guys in the back. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna keep the camera in here. Look, here's the start, and this isn't even sport. You're gonna hear it. I'm gonna get close to it. But this is without it being in sport mode. This is just regular, but this is a 918 Boxster Porsche. And look, we got the trunk in the front. Even though you staring at me, I gotta, unlock that. Luckily it's a small car so I can run around it. Oh yeah, get the, oh yeah. Now we move on in. And now I want you to hear it in sport. Yeah, that's it. That right there, that's that big dog. But like I said, now we about to go to Busch Gardens. We about to head over there. I'll probably get a little content from driving, but for the most part, you'll see us at Busch Gardens, me actually speaking to you. Alright, my guys. So, I'm back at the crib and everything. We were at Busch Gardens. I honestly didn't record too much because it was dark outside. You know, daylight savings, it gets dark as shit at like 5 o'clock. So it was dark as shit. Just enjoyed it. I honestly only went on 2 rides because the waits were crazy long.
stupid long. We honestly just went just to see her brother a little bit, him and his girlfriend. But besides that, it was an okay night. So I got everything back also for the total for my car. So it cost me $1,700 to get everything done after labor, after taxes. I had to get something done. I had to get my spark plugs changed. I had to also get something with my fuel. I could show you guys tomorrow's vlog, like exactly like the receipt and everything, especially if all right, sorry guys, it got full, too much recording. But like I said, I'll just show you guys tomorrow, like in the receipt and everything, especially if I get my car back tomorrow, which would be very thorough. It would be very, very ideal to get it back tomorrow. If I somehow don't get it back tomorrow, that sucks. But I think they already started working on everything, and ideally, if they could just get it done by tomorrow night, we'll be good, and we'll be able to make it to Ocala and everything for Thanksgiving. And that's gonna be it. The one thing I'm noticing so far with this trading week is I'm not getting my setups. The moves are happening, but not at my time. And that kind of defeats the whole purpose of me showing up at my time. I'm not gonna trade London. I'm not gonna trade Asian session. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna stick to my rules. I don't need to chase the market. I wanna be able to trade next week. I wanna be able to be here and trade my accounts during Christmas. And if that means taking it slow during Thanksgiving week, then that's fine. We give thanks. I'm just appreciative that I'm gonna be able to get my car back. I'm appreciative that I've been able to drive this Porsche. Appreciative that I'm about to go downstairs and get some more food because I'm hungry. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys understand that things are gonna happen in life. It's just about how you handle it. I turn the negative into a positive. I stress this all the time. Life is what you make of it. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Sell that shit and make a living off it. But with that being said, if you want to learn how to trade the day trading concepts I use every day, it's all in the description. Here's something about all of it's in the description when it comes to learning how I trade. If you want to learn how I make money when it comes to trading or content, join everything in the description. Everything you need to know is down there. I don't want to talk off your heads. Have a great night. Have a productive night, and I'm gonna be back again for tomorrow's daily video. Today was a little bit more of a lifestyle, but tomorrow, you know what tomorrow's gonna be? Lifestyle with education and hopefully some trades. So with that being said, I'll be back tomorrow.